Important thing in these cold times is to keep your central heating up and running nicely and your radiators with maximum productivity or heat output. So regards to radiators, if when they're up and running, if the bottom of the radiator is warm or hot and top of radiator is cold, that's because the top layer has got some air in. You can bleed the air with an air bleed key. It's a little square hole key, goes in a little square hole nipple on the end of the radiator. You undo the nipple just a little bit and you'll hear hissing where the air comes out. As soon as water starts coming out, like my one just did now, that means there is no air in the radiator. Check all the radiators around the house and then you go into step 2. Go to your boiler, and if you have a combi boiler, the easiest way to recognize them is they will have a pressure gauge. If the pressure is dropped below 1 bar, that means you need to top the system up. Underneath the boiler there will be 2 valves like these two, all very similar. You need to open them up and let the pressure build up. Just above 1, and that's good enough. And that's all. If your boiler doesn't have a pressure gauge, either manual like this or even digital one, then in that case most likely your system is open vented and you don't have to top it up. It does that automatically. I hope it helps. Thank you. And that will be all for now. Stay safe and warm. All the best.